Morning everyone, Danny has asked me to try and show people how to put maps onto their watch, so I'm going to show you how I tend to do that today. And the app I tend to use for that is the Dynamic Watch app. So let's start off by going into the Garmin Connect store. You can go into Garmin Connect, see your usual profile, go onto the menu options and go to the Connect IQ store. Connect IQ store will load up, you might need to accept a couple of permissions to get into it initially. Once you're in there, click on search and search for DW map. App then comes up and you can select it and click install. This now gets queued, and that means that the next time that you sync up your watch, it will be installed to your watch. So what we can now do is we go back, all the way to our device where we select, and we select for it to sync. Once it has synced properly, you will now find that when you go into your activities, you will now be able to see Dynamic Watch. Once your watch is synced, then what you can do is you should find that you now have the app on it. So if we now move, we should now be able to see the watch. When we then go into our activities and we have a look at it, we can see that the DW map has now been installed at the bottom of our list. You can click on it and it then gives us a code that we can enter onto dynamic.watch/link and then press up to continue. So if we now move back onto the screen, we can go to that site and we can go to Dynamic Watch. Once you're on the Dynamic Watch site, first of all you'll need to sign up, which you can do using Facebook or Strava. As I've already done that, I can move directly to link, at which point I can click to log in with my Facebook or my Strava, or I can log in with my password. Where you need to go to is in settings, more, and you can see here how you can link the Dynamic Watch app. So if you click link Dynamic Watch app, and you can see that what you can now do is put the link code that you've previously got on the watch. So I can see here my link code is R33VMYCS. If I then go back, I can enter that code and hit link device, and then press the up button on my Forerunner. It checks the code, and now you can put a route on there. In terms of how you then create the route, if you come back to the site, you hit on create, you can ask it to show your current location. You can trace a route, and then hit save. And click set as active to right route. Click OK. And then if you go to Garmin Connect, you refresh your link so it resyncs. And as it's resyncing, we can now see on the watch my old route should disappear. And what was previously that much long run has now refreshed, and you can see the route there. That's it for this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions.